Christmas Eve. It's windy, it's rainy, it's blustery, and it's peaceful. And I've come to my favourite place. These gorgeous horses. Say hello, Ruby. She's having fun sliding around in the mud. And so am I, my wellies. Testing them out. Whatever you're doing this Christmas Eve, think about somebody else. Think about how you could help them. Is there anyone you could visit? Call up? Might be on their own. While you sit in the stillness of the day before Christmas, just have a think about what you could do for somebody else to enhance their life.